Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about rupees 75 commemorative coin and 17 biofortified crops which was recently released and announced on World Food Day by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Before moving on to the session, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. Sahi Poshan Desh Roshan. So if you are going to eat a nutritious, well-balanced diet, so our country is going to have a bright future and it is going to get enlightened. On account of 75th anniversary of Food and Agriculture Organization on 16th October 2020, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji releases commemorative coin of rupees 75 denomination to mark the 75th anniversary of Food and Agriculture Organization. So the event marks long-standing relation of India with United Nations, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. The occasion optimizes the highest priority accorded to agriculture and nutrition by the government. So this also shows how our government is paying much more attention towards nutritional status of our country. The event is a testament of the government's resolve to eliminate hunger, undernourishment and malnutrition. So most of the Anganwadis, Krishi Vigyan Kendras, organic and horticulture missions across the country has participated in the event. Towards achieving national nutrition security, PM Modi dedicates 17 new biofortified varieties of crops to the nation. This is to usher in higher income or farmers and open new avenues of entrepreneurship development. Next, to production of these crops will be upscaled and linked with government programs like midday meal program, Anganwadis, etc. and make India Kuposhan Mukta. Biofortified crops provide a sustainable and cost-effective solution to alleviate malnutrition. So to prevent malnutrition or to alleviate malnutrition, these biofortified crops are going to play a major vital role. These crops also serve as an excellent source of balanced feed for livestock in improving their nutritional outcomes. So towards achieving national nutrition security, our PM dedicates 17 new biofortified varieties of 8 crops to the nation. So these biofortified crops will have up to 3-fold increase in nutritional value, which will transform normal Indian thali, that is rice food, to nutritious thali. These varieties have been developed by utilizing the local land races and farmers' varieties. These crops are rich in all essential nutrients like iron, zinc, calcium, protein, lysine, tryptophan, vitamin A, vitamin C, anthocyanin, oleic acid and linoleic acid. These crops have reduced anti-nutritious factors like erucic acid, trypsin inhibitors, etc., which affects human growth and development. So let us see what are all the 17 new biofortified varieties of 8 crops. So let's have a look into the varieties of crops which have been dedicated to the nation by our Honorable Prime Minister on World Food Day, that is 16th October 2020. So let's see the first crop, that is rice Sia Dan 315. Next is wheat HI 1633. Next wheat HD 3298. Next wheat DBW 303. Next wheat DDW 48. Next wheat MACS 4058. Next maize LQMH 1. Next maize LQMH 2. Next maize LQMH 3. Next finger millet CFMV 1. Finger millet CFMV 2. Little millet CLMV 1. Mustard PM 32. Groundnut Girnar 4. Groundnut Girnar 5. Yam Da DA, that is DA 340 and Sri Nilima. So these are the 17 varieties of 8 crop varieties, 17 biofortified crop varieties dedicated to our nation by our Honorable Prime Minister. So 16th October is World Food Day, and this 16th October 2020 is celebrated as 75th anniversary of Food and Agriculture Organization. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization had started in the year 1945, 16th October. So it completed its 75 years, and this day every year, that is 16th October, is celebrated as World Food Day. So two important events our Prime Minister has announced on this day, that is on marking the 75th anniversary of Food and Agriculture Organization. He has released a 75 rupee commemorative coin, and also on World Food Day he has announced 17 biofortified crops derived from 8 crops in order to enhance the nutritional status of our country. Eat healthy and think better. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Thank you friends.